If I'm trying to afford a home, and affordability is a challenge, I got to figure out how to be able to pay for a mortgage. How does Zenlo help me?
So Zenlo can help you, but there's also some unique strategies you can employ. One is find a wealthy person and have them adopt you.
That sounds awesome.
Okay. Short of that, there is a very good strategy. In all seriousness, I advise most of my clients to look for a property that can produce income. So let me give you an example. So let's say you buy a single family home and there's a way to put in a mother-in-law apartment in that home, or there's already existing mother-in-law apartment in that home. That is called an ADU, Accessory Dwelling Unit. What that means is that it's a property that you can take to the city, and the city, you can make an application and say, I want to operate an accessory dwelling unit in my property. If it's approved by the city, then we can use that income to reduce your monthly mortgage payment. So this is what it looked like. I have a first-time home buyer who's looking at a home with an accessory dwelling unit in it right now, and it's currently being rented by long-term tenants. Those tenants are paying $2,000 a month for a basement apartment. We can offset his mortgage payment with 75% of that $2,000. So he's looking to buy a home. The home's about $550. He's putting about 10% down. His mortgage payment is about $3,800. That's a little too high for him. He's not comfortable with that. But because he's getting rent of $2,000 a month, now all of a sudden his net mortgage payment is about $1,800. And all of a sudden that's cheaper than the cost of renting a 2-bedroom apartment. And now he's a homeowner for the same cost of renting a home. Now, how does it help you qualify? Well, we can't give you full credit for the $2,000, but what we can do is give you credit for 75% of that. So instead of him having to have enough income to qualify for $3,800 a month, he's able to use 75% or $1,500. You take $3,800, subtract $1,500. Now he only has to qualify for a $2,300 mortgage payment. I know that still sounds high to a lot of parts of the country, but here in Utah, some 1-bedroom apartments are $2,000 a month. And so this is a way to get into a home, be a homeowner, establish yourself, and he's at the time of his life where it makes sense to do that for him. And that's a great way to make buying a home more affordable, is to look for a property that can produce income.